startups actually, I would say more than 90%, like 95% startups close down in 5 years or fail because they do not follow the lean startup methodology. They feel, when they found the startup, they feel, okay, this is the business model, this is how it's going to work, and they push it out to the market straight away without doing any customer research and without doing any customer discovery. So what you need to do is, even if you have an amazing idea, you need to put it down on business model canvas. Even if you get an investment, rather than developing the full product, you start by developing a minimum viable product, put it out to the market, learn from the customers, and build it with the customers. So the startups fail is because they build something in their office, in their background, without actually talking to the customers. So Steve Blank, who is the founder of lean startup methodology, he used, and he came to Australia, and I had a week to spend with him, and he mentioned that a true customer discovery is when you actually go out of your office, sit in front of your customer, and then talk about the problem that you are going to solve, your idea, and look at their pupil dilate, look at their eyes, and then that's when you would be able to identify whether your product or startup is going to solve a problem. What people do is people spend a lot of money, raise money, and spend a lot of money in developing a product which no one wants. If you are developing a product that no one wants, no one is going to buy it. It's as simple as that, right? So just because you think it's a great idea doesn't mean people think it's a great idea. What you have to do is you have to go out to the people and check with them, and it's not just about asking, do you think it's a great idea? It's about actually developing a very small minimum viable product, taking it to the customers, and then asking them, okay, do you think what do you think about it? And actually seeing how customers are using it, if customers are liking one part or not. And there are multiple examples of successful startups that didn't used to be what they are, and this concept is called pivoting. For example, one of the app called Flickr, which we know as a photo sharing app, it never was it. I think it was Flickr or Picasa, but it never used to be a photo sharing app. It used to be an online gaming app. So they started with online gaming and put it out, and in that online gaming, they had a very small feature of adding photographs. And what they observed was that a lot of customers were not using it for gaming; they were using it for sharing the photographs. So they identified, okay, gaming is probably not the need. Gaming is not a problem. Gaming is not a challenge. The challenge is basically, or the problem that they are solving is actually they are allowing people to share photographs. So they changed their whole business model from what they initially thought, which was gaming, to a photo sharing app. So in business, you never fail if you are willing to learn and work with the customers and take from them. Now I'll take